Welcome back to Auto 786, the channel where passion meets performance, and where we bring you the latest updates, reviews, and first looks at the most exciting cars hitting the streets. If you're someone who loves power wrapped in style and history blended with modern innovation, you've landed at the right place. Today, we're diving into a car that's surprising everyone, the all-new 2026 Chevy Nova Sleeper. This is a machine that combines old-school muscle with new-school engineering, and it's officially back to shock the world. The name Nova carries a lot of weight in the world of muscle cars. Originally launched in the 1960s, the Nova became a street icon, a car that enthusiasts loved for its raw performance and no-nonsense design. Now, Chevrolet has resurrected the name, but with a twist that fits perfectly into today's car culture. The 2026 Chevy Nova Sleeper isn't just another flashy performance car, it's the definition of subtlety hiding savage power. At first glance, you might mistake it for a modest daily driver, but once the engine roars, you realize this car was built to dominate. What makes the Sleeper formula so special is its ability to hide true performance behind an unassuming exterior. The new Nova takes this philosophy and perfects it. The exterior design is clean, simple, and avoids unnecessary aggression. It has smooth body lines, a restrained grille, and a design language that doesn't scream performance. It looks like a regular car you'd pass by on the street, but that's exactly the magic. Hidden beneath the surface is one of the most powerful muscle cars Chevrolet has ever built. Let's talk about what's under the hood, because this is where the Nova Sleeper earns its name. Chevrolet has fitted the car with a monstrous twin turbocharged V8 engine that produces more than 700 horsepower. That's supercar territory. But instead of wearing flashy body kits or massive spoilers, the Nova keeps everything understated. With this kind of power, the car can sprint from 0 to 60 in just under 3.5 seconds, shocking anyone who dares to underestimate it at a stoplight. This Sleeper isn't just fast, it's brutally quick, and it delivers performance that few will see coming. Chevy has also built the Nova Sleeper to balance raw muscle with modern drivability. It features multiple drive modes, allowing drivers to enjoy a calm, quiet ride when needed, or unleash full performance when the moment demands. The Aisha adaptive suspension ensures that the car is just as comfortable cruising through the city as it is tearing down the drag strip. And with a carefully tuned exhaust system, it manages to keep noise levels modest until you open it up, at which point it roars like a beast breaking free. Inside, the 2026 Nova Sleeper continues its philosophy of blending simplicity with functionality. The cabin design is clean and driver-focused, with modern tech features such as a digital instrument cluster, an advanced infotainment system, and seamless smartphone connectivity. Premium materials give the interior a refined feel, but it doesn't go over the top. It's a cockpit designed for someone who wants performance at their fingertips without unnecessary distractions. One of the most exciting aspects of the Nova Sleeper is its ability to revive the sleeper car culture in a modern era dominated by loud, aggressive designs. It reminds us that sometimes the most powerful car in the lineup isn't the one covered in stripes, wings, or badges. It's the one that looks ordinary until it completely blows past you. This stealthy approach is what made Sleepers legendary, and Chevy has perfectly captured that essence with the 2026 Nova. Handling has been another focus for Chevy engineers. With adaptive dampers, a finely tuned chassis, and precise steering, the Nova Sleeper doesn't just go fast in a straight line. It corners with confidence and remains composed at high speeds, giving drivers the reassurance that this isn't just raw power. It's power you can actually control. Whether you're cruising on the highway or testing its limits on a track, the Nova Sleeper feels balanced, stable, and ready for anything. When it comes to price, Chevrolet seems committed to keeping the Nova Sleeper accessible compared to exotic supercars. While exact numbers haven't been confirmed yet, it's expected to be priced lower than most high-end performance cars while delivering equal or greater thrills. That makes it a true sleeper in every sense. Affordable, understated, but capable of embarrassing cars that cost 2 or 3 times more. This car isn't just about horsepower and numbers, it's about legacy. The Chevy Nova has always been tied to muscle car history, and bringing it back as a sleeper feels like the perfect evolution. It honors the past while embracing the future, giving enthusiasts a car that feels nostalgic, yet innovative. The Nova Sleeper isn't just a vehicle, it's a cultural statement, showing that performance doesn't always need to be loud to be legendary. So what does this mean for car enthusiasts and the automotive world as a whole? It means that Chevrolet has brought back excitement in a way that feels refreshing. In a time when many cars compete to be the flashiest, the Nova Sleeper takes a different route by proving that sometimes blending in is the ultimate way to stand out. For gearheads, it's an invitation to relive the thrill of surprising challengers who never saw it coming. As we look ahead, the 2026 Chevy Nova Sleeper is set to become more than just a car. It's bound to be a modern legend. A car that keeps its secrets hidden until the moment of truth, delivering adrenaline-pumping performance while maintaining a modest image. It's a rare combination, and that's what makes it so special. That wraps up our deep dive into the 2026 Chevy Nova Sleeper. What do you think about Chevrolet's decision to revive the Nova name as a sleeper? Do you love the stealthy, hidden power approach? Or would you prefer something flashier? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your opinions. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, share it with fellow car lovers, and subscribe to Auto 786 for more first looks and reviews of the latest cars shaping the future of the automotive world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.